Gator Pit, Texas. Ritch Robin. I want to show y'all something, just the quality of these Gator Pits. You notice something with this door? Just check out the door. Look at it over here. Look at it over here. That's your door counterweight. That's actually your door stop. That's what locks your door back and holds it back when your door is fully open. You notice something a little different? The door is not fully open. It's actually so perfectly balanced that it's suspended in a half open position. It's perfectly balanced, just like a seesaw would be. That's Gator Pit's quality, guys. That's what we do. Let me show you this also. Watch, I'm gonna do something here. I'm gonna open it all the way. I'm gonna open the second door all the way. I'm gonna do a line shot. Do you notice anything like this? Watch this. Looks like there's only one door there and one counterweight, doesn't it? You wanna know why? Because it's perfect. Each door is perfect. Perfectly balanced. They're identical in the way we fabricated these and mounted these doors. Guys, that's Gator Pit's quality, man. I've seen competitors' pits come through my shop. I've seen them at cook-offs. They try to do these counterweights and the door looks like this when you're looking down it. You got one jacked up like this and one further back behind it like that. Because they're not taking the time to do it right. Look at that. You can't even see the other door, man. Line it up again. Look. That's Gator Pit, guys. Quality. Gator Pit.